Remember to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update from English Improver.
Run. She runs every morning to stay fit. She runs every morning to stay fit. He ran away from the angry dog. He ran away from the angry dog. Walk. They walked to school together. They walked to school together. He walks with a limp after the accident. He walks with a limp after the accident. Jump. The kids jumped on the trampoline. The kids jumped on the trampoline. She jumped over the fence. She jumped over the fence. Talk. We talked for hours on the phone. We talked for hours on the phone. He talks too much in class. He talks too much in class. Sing. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. They sang a song for their teacher. They sang a song for their teacher. Speak. He speaks 3 languages fluently. He speaks 3 languages fluently. She spoke softly to the baby. She spoke softly to the baby. Eat. I ate a sandwich for lunch. I ate a sandwich for lunch. He eats too much junk food. He eats too much junk food. Drink. She drinks water every day. She drinks water every day. He drank a glass of milk. He drank a glass of milk. Cry. The baby cried all night. The baby cried all night. She cried tears of joy. She cried tears of joy. Skip. She skipped rope with her friends. She skipped rope with her friends. He skipped breakfast this morning. He skipped breakfast this morning. Pull. He pulled the door open. He pulled the door open. She pulled her hair back in a ponytail. She pulled her hair back in a ponytail. Push. She pushed the cart along the aisle. She pushed the cart along the aisle. He pushed his way through the crowd. He pushed his way through the crowd. Fetch. The dog fetched the ball. The dog fetched the ball. He fetched a glass of water for her. He fetched a glass of water for her. Give. She gave him a hug. She gave him a hug. He gave her a present. He gave her a present. Make. He made a cake for her birthday. He made a cake for her birthday. She made a mess in the kitchen. She made a mess in the kitchen.